Yes, ma'am, you are live now.
Okay, thank you so much,
Okay.
ma'am. Thanks,
Yeah.
ma'am. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, all, and welcome to this session. So, let me share the screen first. Okay, so yesterday we learned the three-step purchase or sale, right? Anybody can give me the explanation in a short. What is the three-step purchase or what is the three-step sale? Please come on fast. Anybody can give me the explanation? What is the three-step and what is the three-step purchase or what is the three-step sale? In short, okay. So actually, the three first is a two-step, then three-step and four-step. Yesterday I told you, okay. So two-step means just pass a purchase entry and make the payment. Okay, this is known as a two-step. Just pass the purchase entry and make the payment. If it is not cash, then make the payment, and if it is cash, then it is okay. So only in a single entry, the purchase will be done. But if the three-step is there, yes, correct. If the three-step is there, then in that case, we have to pass first a purchase order. See, two-step, three-step, four-step, all depend upon the policy, company policy. You have to read first company policy carefully. Afterward, you can come to know like two-step is there or three-step is there or four-step is there. Okay. So two-step means purchase and then make the payment. Sales, then receive the payment. That's it. Then the next is three-step. Yesterday we take the we have taken the understanding of three-step. Three-step means first pass the purchase order, and against this purchase order just purchase the stock, and after purchase the stock, again against that reference you have to make the payment. This is known as three-step. Is it clear? Same thing in the case of sales. First you have to generate the sales order, and then we have to generate a one sales order reference. Against that sales order reference we have to pass the bill, and against that bill again we have to receive the payment. Okay, that is the three step. Now today we are going to learn the four step. Four step means it again depend upon the company policy. It again depend upon the company policy. If the company policy says no, four steps, sales and purchase transaction should be in a four steps. Sales and purchase transactions should be in a four steps. So what is four steps actually? First, you should make the purchase order, and after making the purchase order, receipt note should be there. That is the GRN. GRN. And with the help of GRN, stock will reach in your godown. With the help of GRN, stock will reach in your godown. And then afterward, after checking the stock, then you can make the purchase. And after making the purchase bill, you can make the payment. This is known as four step. Is it clear? And in the case of sales, it is like first you have to pass the sales order. First you have to pass the sales order, and afterward you have to generate the delivery note. Delivery note will reflect your godown. Your stock will exit from your godown, and after passing the gate pass, you have to generate the invoice, and afterward you have to receive the payment. Is it clear? This is known as four step. Is it clear? I'm sure this is clear. Okay, so we are going to start the entries while four steps are there. Okay, no matter if yesterday purchase order and sales order, someone says purchase order and sales order, they are not getting properly. They were not getting properly yesterday. So no issue. Today again we are going to make the purchase order and sales order. So let me share the tally screen. This is my tally screen. Okay, now I'm going to take a, I'm going to create a new company. Create, create, then new company, that is fifth example. Enter and then Madhya Pradesh. After entering the state, there is no need to change the period or anything else. Just press Control A. Just press Control A. Okay, then see in the F11 is a what? Company feature. F11 is a what? Company feature. There are different options. We will check later on, but it is not available in this option, that is delivery note and receipt note. We will check in the while creating the vouchers. So first of all, I am going to create the first entry, that is very compulsory entry, that is capital. I have to create the one capital ledger, capital account. Control A. Then for purchase and sales account should be there. So I'm making purchases account under purchase, right? Purchase account should be under purchase. And because it is asking for the GST, so we should disable the GST because we are not learning the GST. So you should disable the GST. Okay. Control A. Then purchase account. Then again Control A. Then sales account. Sales account under sales. Control. Now two parties should be there, right? One should be the creditor and second one should be the debtor. Is it clear? Everybody is getting properly? Everybody is getting properly? If not, then please. See, first I create one new company. After creating the new company, I created the 4 ledgers. The first one is purchase, because if you want to enter the purchase transaction, then purchase will take reflect, like while passing the purchase entry, 2 accounts will be affected. First is a purchase and second one is a creditor account. So you should have the ledgers. Okay. And then second one is a sales account and then party ledger or data ledger. Okay. So I created the 4 ledgers here. Then I'm going to create the one item, escape, then stock item. Stock item, then computers, enter, then unit should be numbers, NO, then numbers, Control A and Control A, right? Then stock item, I created a one stock item. Please check, students. Stock item, I created one stock item. Also, I created one unit. Unless until unit is not there, it will not ask for the quantity and the rate. So please make sure you created the unit. Okay. Now vouchers. First voucher. If I want to pass the purchase order. So how we can pass the purchase order? Please remember the steps. Yesterday we already. And how can you also join CTS on 1st August? Even that clarification, and that clarification has not come to us via mail. Okay. Please tell me what is the steps to create the purchase order. What is the steps to create the purchase order and what will be the entry? Tell me. Yesterday you attended the sessions, na? Yesterday you attended the session. Tell me. The steps to create the purchase order. The steps to create the purchase order. Yesterday I told you how you can create the purchase order and what will be the entry for the purchase order. Okay, so I'm going to create the purchase order. How we can create the purchase order? Just go to the gateway of Tally. Go to the gateway of Tally. This is gateway of Tally, vouchers, and press F10 because here is no purchase order voucher. So just press F10. In a F10, just press show inactive. Just enter here, then you can check purchase order is there. Presently that is inactive. You want to activate, then press enter. It will ask you need to active the purchase order. Do you want to active now? Yes. Now create the purchase order. Suppose you you want to pass the purchase order. You ordered the 20 computers, 20 quantity of computers to the creditor. So first I have to create the party name, create, then ledger and Charles account, then sundry creditor. It should be under sundry creditor, default period should be 15. Control A. Second is Ronald account. It should be under sundry debtor. Then 15 days. Control A. Okay. How many ledgers we have completed? Just check. Cash, Charles, profit and okay. Now it is perfect. So for purchase order, first you should debit the, you should credit the party. Who is the, which one is the party? Charles account. Charles account. So Charles account is there. Control A. Then Control A. Order number, that is PO-101. I can like write anything, alphanumeric or numeric, anything. Enter. Then computers. How many quantity I ordered? And it will be due on 15 days. And how many quantity? 20 quantity. Then rate should be 45,000. Enter. Enter. There is no need to provide the trade discount. Yesterday I gave you the clarification on trade discount and cash discount. But today I am not going to give you the understanding of trade discount and cash discount. Enter. Then you can create, if you want to create the new item from here, then Alt C. That is a shortcut key to create the new item. Laptop, then number. Then again, laptop, I ordered the laptop 20 quantity and the laptop price is 75,000. Okay, now enter, 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 enter. Is it reflect your P&L? Students, just answer me. Is it reflect your P&L? Purchase order reflect your P&L? By making the purchase order, your P&L will be affected or not? By making the purchase order, your P&L will be affected or not? Stop entering your registration number and all. Please answer me. Yes, purchase order. If you created the purchase order, your P&L will not take reflect. Your P&L will not take reflect. We can check here. Many students are again and again typing the registration number. Please stop writing registration number. Concentrate on the class. Purchase order will not take reflect in your P&L. You can check. No, trading account is also not reflected. Please. See, you are passing the purchase order. So you can check your stock summary. Because still order is there. You are not getting the items. It will not take reflect. Okay, not trading account nor P&L. It will not take reflect. Students, please listen carefully. I'm asking to those students who are answering me that it will take reflect. No, it will not take reflect. Okay, so I'm moving ahead. Okay, now you can check by stock summary. By pressing on the stock summary, no stock is there. No stock is there because still order is there. You can check in the display more reports. And then yesterday I told you na statement of inventory, purchase order outstanding. See, still your order is outstanding. Now you want to purchase it, but according to your policy, there should be the 4-step purchase. 4-step purchase. So first you have to make the GRN, that is goods received note. While creating the goods received note, your party ledger will not reflect. Your party ledger will not reflect. Please check display more reports, account books, ledger, then Charles account. Still Charles account balance is nil. Charles account balance is nil. And if you enter the GRN, then still Charles account balance is nil. Why so? Because you pass the GRN, that is goods received note. You haven't to make the bill. After making the bill, your party will take reflect. After making the bill, your party will take reflect. Okay. So first is a voucher. Then how can we pass the GRN? File again I have 10 and then show inactive. Show inactive. There is an option of goods received note. See, goods received. Then activate it. Okay. Is it clear? Now just type a one reference number, that is GRN-0. GRN-001, enter. Then party name, entry will be same. Entry will be same. You are making a GRN receipt note against that order. Which order? It will automatically gives you the option Charles account. And you are having the purchase order 101 against the Charles. You are having the purchase order 101 against the Charles. So you should select this order number against the, while creating the GRN, you should select against PO-101. Enter, Control A and Control A. See, entry will automatically there. You can edit the quantity, you can increase the quantity or you can decrease the quantity. You can increase the quantity or you can decrease the quantity. Then GRN, this is what? This is the tracking number. While creating the, after creating the GRN receipt note, after saving it, one new reference will be there, that is GRN-001. One new reference will be there, that is GRN-001. And remember students, by default Tally automatically gives you the one tracking number, that is number 1. But please don't consider number 1, just consider whatever you created the reference, that is GRN-001. Enter. Now GRN-001 is creating against PO-101. You are creating a one GRN-001 against PO-101. Okay, enter, enter, enter. Now quantity should be same. I am not going to modify the quantity. Okay, now it will take reflect in your stock summary. Now you can check your stock summary is increased now. Now you receive the computers 20 and then laptops 20. Is it clear? Is it clear? Like 2 steps I completed. First step, I created a one purchase order. Second step, I like made the goods received note. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, so I'm going for the next entry. Okay, now next entry. What will be the next entry? See, after creating the GRN, your stock summary will take reflect. Also, your purchase will be increased. See, in the P&L, your purchase is there. Your purchase is there. That is purchase account. This is the different layout. If you wish to change the layout format, then press F12 and show, instead of show vertical, then press no. Okay, now you can check your purchase is increased by 24 lakhs. But what is it? Purchase bills to come. What is it? Because still your party don't have the any balance. Account books, ledger, Charles. See, your party balance is nil. Why your party balance is nil? Because you haven't generate the bill. You haven't generate the bill. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now your stock pass the quality checking. Your stock pass the quality checking. Now you want to make the purchase bill against that GRN. So how you can make the purchase bill? By pressing the F9. F9, then again you have to generate a one invoice number, bill number 01. Enter. Then party name, that is Charles. The moment you press here enter, you are getting the GRN because still uh, you have the pending bill for GRN-001. So you have to select the GRN-001, enter. Then press C. The moment you select here the GRN-001, it automatically fetch the details of the order number. It automatically fetching the details of the order number. Control A, Control A. Now you are having complete entry you are having. Whatever stock you received against that GRN, it is generating the purchase bill. It is generating the purchase bill. Rest things are same, like you have to create a one new reference. We already learned the referencing. You have to create a one new reference. Is it clear? Now you can make the payment. So this is the last step, F5. F5, Charles, enter. Against reference. Against which reference? Bill number 01. Now, you should not take the GRN, you should not search here the GRN, or you should not search here the PO. Because first you created the one reference of the purchase order. Against that purchase order, you created a one GRN, that is goods received note. Against that GRN, you created a bill number 1. And then now you have to make the payment against bill number 1. Enter, enter, dash. Is it clear? We completed the 4-step purchase. We completed the 4-step purchase. See, yesterday I told you 3-step, 4 steps. So today's topic is 4 steps, and afterward again MIS and then storing place. That is go down. This is the today's agenda. Yes, I'm going to repeat with another example. Okay, fine. Now suppose we want to place the purchase order for again for 10 computers. Again for 10 computers, we want to place the purchase order. So how we can place the purchase order? We already created the ledgers, but this time I'm going to create a one new party. Create ledger, that is Ronit and company. This is my new party. Okay, sundry creditor and 15 days credit period controlling. After creating the party ledger, you have to pass the one purchase order, because see, in a purchase order, the entry will be same purchase to party. Purchase ledger we already created, and this time I created a one new party. Now press again Control F9 for purchase order. Then party name is Ronit and company. Enter. Then Control A. If you have like these details, then you can enter these details. Otherwise, you should not enter this detail. By pressing the Control A, you exit from this dialog box. Then PO-002, enter. Purchase account. In what item you want to? What item you want to pass the purchase order? Computers. In 15 days. How many quantity? 20. 15 to 45,000, it automatically extracted from the database, the rate automatically extracted. Then laptops. Again 20. Right? Enter, 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 enter. Purchase order is generated, that is PO-002. Now, against that purchase order, goods received note is there because we are doing four-step purchase. So, goods received note. See, while passing the purchase order, it will not take reflect in your stock summary nor in your P&L. Okay, the conclusion is it will not reflect in your stock. It will not take reflect in your stock. So, by passing the GRN. Okay, so how you can pass the GRN? Again, other vouchers, there is an option of goods received note. This one, Alt F9. Then again, you have to generate a one new reference number, GRN-002. Enter. The moment you select the party, it automatically tells you you have a pending orders against that party. So just select that order number. Enter. Now press Control A. Control A. Automatically entry is there. Automatically entry is there. Enter, enter, enter. Control A. Then enter, 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 enter. Automatically it is taking right reference number. Only you have to watch. Rest things automatically done by the tally by pressing the enter. Enter, 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 enter. Now it will take reflect in your stock summary. You can check. In the stock summary, now you are having 40 computers and 40 laptops. But still, you don't have the party balance. Display more reports, account books, ledger, and then Ronit. Ronit balance is nil. Why Ronit balance is nil? Because you haven't generated the bill. So first, after generating the bill, you can check Ronit balance will be there. So first you have to generate the bill. How you can generate the bill? By pressing F9. F9 is a shortcut key for purchase. 00, enter. The moment you select the Ronit and company, automatically it will tell automatically the receipt note extracted by the database because in the database one reference is there against this party. Just take this reference. Enter, enter. Then again against, see, GRN is against this order number. Automatically it extracted from the database. Control A, Control A. Then entry is there. Now you can check in the purchase account, P&L account, and also in the Ronit balance. Account books, then ledger, then Ronit. Now balance is there. Is it clear? Now I'm sure everybody got. Everybody understood now? Okay. So I'm not going to give here the example of sales order. After completing the session, I will give you the one example of the delivery note and receipt note. Just complete that exercise. You should complete that exercise, but after the class. Okay. First, you should understand, and after the class, I'll give you the complete example for delivery note and receipt note. No, Kishore, it's not possible. We cannot directly convert the purchase order into the receipt note by pressing the Alt F9. You have to select the reference, purchase order. Only by selecting the purchase order number, the tally will automatically create a one receipt note. But unless until you are not selecting the purchase order, it will not create the, because automated accounting posting. This is the one of the ERP feature. Automated accounting posting. This is the one of the ERP feature. In Tally, this feature is not available. Like suppose, I'm sure you used to go to the bank for the banking work. So in the bank, there is a one software that is Finacle. Banks are using which ERP? Finacle. In the Finacle, automated entries are there. For example, you're you created a one FD, okay, you or like saving account interest. Automatically saving account interest is entry is passed by the software. But in Tally, this feature is not available. Automated accounting posting. This is known as automatic accounting posting. Sure, isn't it? Because I read your message. Automated accounting posting. This is not there in Tally. Now, what exactly if anybody have doubt, then I'll give you the clarification. Otherwise, I'll move for the next. Chetan, actually the speed is not very fast. Try to cope up the lectures. Otherwise, I'll try to reduce the speed. Because see, within the hours, we have to complete the complete features. Okay, Chetan, we will try. We will try. Okay. Yes, we can get the pending GRN list. Company is automatically saved. Dhruvi, you are attending the 5th session. Company is automatically saved by the Tally itself. There is no need to save the company. Because see, regularly, continuously I am passing the vouchers and I am pressing the Control A, Control A. Control A is a shortcut key to save. So there is no need to save the separately company. No, in purchase order, discount option is not there. So you cannot include the discount in purchase order. Logically, that is wrong. Logically, that is wrong. Mohammed safe. Mohammed, please try to understand the 3-step and 4-step. There are 2-step, 3-step, or 4-step. 3 kinds of purchases. Maybe there 2-step is just make a bill, make the payment. That is 2-step. And then 3-step, make the purchase order, then generate the bill, make the payment. This is 3-step. Then 4-step is generate the make the purchase order, then generate the GRN against that order, then again against the GRN generate the bill and then make the payment. This is 4-step. Okay. Fine. So I'm sure everybody is satisfied because I so many queries I already read and I already gave you the answers. Now, next. Sometimes in a company after generating the GRN, but before generating the bill, like go down keeper find some material are damaged. Some materials are damaged. Some stocks are not up to the mark because in the quality control they failed. In the first quality checker, they was not failed, so that's why we generated the bill. But in the second time quality checking, they become fail. Now company wants to return it. Should I make the debit note? Should I make the debit note for that? Answer me. Should I make the debit note for that? If my stock fails during the quality control second time, in the quality checking second time, my stock is failed. Then should I generate the debit note? No, I cannot generate the debit note. Right, Isha? You should generate the rejection out. Very good, Isha. You should generate the rejection out. Okay, so I'm going to give you the explanation on rejection out. Suppose again, now this time I am going to pass the sales order. Okay, I'm going to follow the 4 steps in the case of sales. First, you have to generate the sales order. So F10, then sales order. Show inactive, then sales order. There is an option of sales order. Activate the sales order. Okay, now suppose Ronald account. Ronald account. Okay, Ronald. Ronald is your debtor. Ronald gives you the sales order for 10 computers. Ronald gives you the sales order SO-101. Enter. For 10 computers and 10 laptops. 10 computers, 65,000. Then 10 laptops. 10 laptops, 85,500. Okay. Now, Ronald placed the order, sales order for 10 computers and 10 laptops. Enter, 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 enter. Still, by making the sales order, your stock will not take reflect. You can check. In the stock summary, still we have the 40 computers, 40 laptops. Even if you want to check goods inwards and outward, then press F12. There is an option of goods inwards and outward. There is an option of goods inwards and outward. Yes. See, no outwards is there. No outwards is there because only Ronald placed the order. Ronald placed the order. Actual sales is not there. Only by placing the order, your stock will not take reflect. Now, again, our policy is 4-step sale. So, first we have to make the delivery note. First, we had to make the delivery note. F10, then delivery note. Same, show inactive, then delivery note. Enter. Yes. Now, the moment I select the Ronald, it is showing me the order against the Ronald. It is showing me the order against the Ronald. Okay, because in Tally automated accounting posting is not there. You cannot convert directly the order to the delivery note. So first you have to select against that order you want to generate the delivery note. Enter. Control A. Now automatically it is extracting the complete entry. For 10 computers, we are having the orders. For 10 computers, we are having the order. Suppose Ronald wants, no, I don't want 10 computers. I want only 8 computers. So you can modify the, instead of 10, you can modify it. Control A. Then enter, enter, then tracking number. Now you have to generate a one tracking number. Okay, you have to generate a one tracking number. So I'm going to generate a one tracking number by entering here the number. Tracking number. Tracking number is, I'm giving here the new number, that is delivery note DN-001. This is my new tracking number. And this is my order number against which I'm going to generate a tracking number. Okay. Enter. Then again, new number, that is DN-001. Okay. Is it clear? Enter. Now I generated a one tracking number, that is DN-001, and against the purchase order, 10 computers purchase order, I delivered only 8 items. Enter, 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 enter. Now your stock will take reflect. You can check here. Stock summary. Then F12. F12, then goods inwards, goods outwards. See, now your goods out, in a goods outwards, there is a there are 8 computers which you delivered because it is showing in the outwards. That means you delivered it. And laptops, 10 laptops are there. That means you delivered the 10 laptops. And remaining is 32 and 30. 32 computers and 30 laptops. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now, after like delivering the items to the Ronald, while entering the stock in the godown, Donald feel again out of 8 computer, 2 computer failed to pass the quality checking. 2 computers failed to pass the quality checking. So should I make the credit note against that? Should I make the credit note against that? Should I make the credit note against that? No, I cannot make the credit note against it. Why? Because still invoice is not there. If the invoice is there, then only you can generate the credit note. If the invoice is not there, then you cannot generate the credit note. In that case, you have to generate the rejection in. Rejection in. Okay. So vouchers, and then again other vouchers, show inactive, and rejection in. See, there is an option of rejection in. Yes. Now the moment you select the ledger, okay, and item, which item, for which item you are making the rejection in computers. The moment you select the correct item, then it is showing you against which reference you want to create that rejection in. So against this reference, enter. How many computers? 2. Now, while creating the, see, first listen carefully and then concentrate on the screen. First, Ronald placed the order of 10 computers. Out of 10 computers, we already delivered the 8 computers. Again, after delivering the 8 computers, out of 8 computers, 2 computers failed to pass the quality checking. Failed to pass the quality checking. Then Ronald returned me. Then I cannot make the credit note because still invoice is not there now. Still invoice is not there. So I cannot make the credit note. I should make the rejection in. Okay. Now out of 8, 2 is written. Now while making the bill, how much quantity should be there? Tell me, for how much quantity it will generate, we can generate the bill. Just think about it. Just think about it. For how much quantity we should generate the invoice. We should generate the invoice. How much quantity? How much quantity? Is it the like 8 computers or 10 computers or 2 computers? How much? For how much quantity we should generate the invoice? Tell me, try to understand. For how much quantity we should generate the invoice? Any idea? 8. I got a one answer, 8. Again, I got the second answer, 2. 6. 8, 2, 6. 38. 38 means computer plus laptop both. Okay. Then 8. 6, 8, 10, 8, 6. No. There are different answers, but correct answer is for 6 computers, I should make the bill. And Tele will automatically generate while selecting the DN, like that is reference. It automatically generate the bill for invoice for 6 computers. 6 computers plus 20, 10 laptops, so that means 16. 6 computers plus 10 laptops, that means total 16. Is it? So students who gave me the answer 8, 10, 6, please 8, 10, 6 or 2. Somebody also gave me the answer 2. Please correct your answers. Okay. So now I'm going to make the bill. I'm going to generate the invoice of the sales invoice. The moment I select the Ronald, enter. Against which reference I want to generate the bill? Against D8. Enter. Control A. Control A. See. For how much quantity is this generating the bill? 6 quantity, 6 computers. Laptop, we didn't receive the laptops again, return. Only the item was computers. Is it clear? Now again we have to generate a one new reference for receiving the payment from Ronald. New reference. Is it clear? Now we completed the 2-step, 3-step, 4-step. Still, if you have doubt, then just raise the query. Otherwise, I'll move for the next topic. Now I already passed the invoices. Concentrate on the class. Okay. Is it clear? Should I move for the next topic? Achal, because first Ronald gave me the order of 10 computers. Okay. Out of 10 computers, I only delivered the 8 computers. Okay. And after receiving the 8 computers, Ronald in the Ronald company, then when the stock reach in the go down, then out of 8 computer, 2 computer failed to pass the quality checking. Then they returned me. So 8 minus 2, 6. Is it clear now? 8 minus 2, 6. So for 6 computers, we have to generate the invoice. How to check the pending PO list? Yesterday I told you, na Rishikesh? Okay, we are moving. See, still 2 more computers. 2 computers still are pending. It will show in the pending order. I can check. I'll show you, okay? I'll show you. Okay, I'm showing you pending order list. See, display more reports, statement of inventory, then sales bill pending. Oh, not sales order outstanding. Stock item, computer. See. Why it is showing me 4? Because 10 order was there. 6, I make the invoice for the 6. So still 4 is pending. So out of 4, because 2 rejection in was there. So you can click on the pre-close quantity. Because 2 was fail for the quality checking. So 2. Then fail to quality check. Enter. And on which day you are closing it, just mention it. Enter. Now it is only 2. Is it clear? Pre-close orders. Yesterday I told you pre-close order. Very important option. Pre-close order. And by pressing F12 here, you can check the cleared sales order also. Outstanding purchase order, cleared purchase order, everything you can check. Pre-close, show reason, everything you want. See, it is showing you purchase order cleared and sales order outstanding. But by pressing F12 key, F12 is a shortcut key for the screen configuration. Regularly, I am repeating here. Regularly. Is it clear? Any doubt? See, why 6? Because Ronald placed the order for 10 computers. But out of 10 computers, I only delivered the 8 computers. 8. And out of 8 computers, they returned me 2 computers. Because 2 computers failed for quality checking. Now only remaining is 6. So for 6, I have to generate the bill. Tally will automatically generate the bill for 6. Is it? I'm sure it is clear now. Okay. Okay, fine. Now moving to the next feature. Today, we are going to learn the storage place in Tally. Storage place in Tally. Definitely, if you are having the business, like you are having the inventories, then for inventories, there should be one storage place. There should be one storage place. In by default in Tally, one storage place is there. The name is main location. And you can say the go down also, you can say the go down, or you can say the storage place or location. All are same thing. Location, go down, and storage place, all are the same thing. All are the same thing. So in Tally, by default, there is a one location. The name is main location. See, presently we are not using the locations. Presently, we are not using the locations. So in a Tally, default location is main location. Default location is main location. Before moving to the location feature, I'm giving to give you the, see, I already gave this example. Submit this example to the institute. Definitely you will get this example. You have to complete this example. And then I told you earlier, first you should complete it and you should save it. And afterward, you will send it to me on my email ID, whatever email ID I'll provide you. This is the one of the example for which, for today's first topic, that was delivery note and receipt note. Okay, just try it. Tomorrow you should ask the query if you have some problem. If you like, while doing this example, if you face some problem, then just raise the query. But definitely do this practice honestly. Huh? Do this example. Okay, now we are moving to the next feature, that is location. What is location? Storage place in Tally. Storage place in Tally is known as a location. Or you can say it is go down. In the previous versions, Tally shows the go down option, not the location. But now it is showing the locations. It is showing the location instead of go down. So storage place, location, go down, all are the same thing. By default in a Tally, there is a one location, the name is main location. Because still we haven't select any location while purchasing or while selling the stock. So there should be one place, na? If you have the inventory, then there should be the place where you should keep your inventories. So in Tally, there is a one common place, the name is main location. But you cannot check here. See, in the stock summary, if you are checking here, then no location is there. So first you should enable the location by just create here, then show more. Then you will get the location option. See, go down or location. It depends upon the version of your Tally Prime. Either location or you can say the go down. Enter. Do you want to create? See, main location exists by default for the company. Do you want to alter the main location or create a new go down? No, I want to create a new go down. Create. Now one go down is there, that is Preetham Control A. Then you can check in the stock summary. In the stock summary, see, it is showing me computers. Where are the computers? Where are your computers? Where are your inventory stored presently? On main location. Because at the time of purchase computers or purchase laptop, no location you enable, no location feature you enable. So by default, Tally keeps it in main location. Is it clear? By default, it is not necessary to pre-close the order. Okay, okay. I'm like, first I should answer the queries. If we reject the computers to creditor, then rejection out. No, it is Kavita. It is not necessary to pre-close the order. Jyoti, what is confusion? What is confusion? Rejection out means when we place the purchase order, okay, when we place the purchase order and after receipt note, in our go down, inventories are failed for quality checking. Then we should reject to the creditor. In that case, rejection out voucher should be there. Is it clear, Rajni? Yes, location and go downs are same. Surjit, both are the same thing. Location means storage place. Location means storage place. Okay. See, if we don't want to create the location, then inventory will automatically show in the stock summary, but by default, it is hidden. There is a one location, the name is main location, but it is hidden. Tally will not show that like it is stored on main location unless until location feature is not enabled. And how can you enable the location feature? By creating a one more go down or location. Both the things are same. Yes, we can change the company name. I'll tell you, Kishore, transfer of material. There is a like there is in this feature is in agenda, stock general, but I'm not sure today it will completed or not because it depends how many queries are there. Yes, we can send the material to vendor with rejection out note. Yes. Okay. So we are going to start the example for location. See, this is the main location on which Tally default stored it. At the time of purchase or at the time of sales, we haven't selected the location. By default, it is stored on main location. Now we have to create a go downs. So from where we can create the go downs? Create, then go down. Go down or location, both are the same thing. Please don't confused because in some feature, some version it is showing the location, and in some feature it is some version it is showing the go down. But both are the same thing. Storage place. That's it. Enter. Now Pritampur, then AB Road. These are my two go downs. Okay. And you can create the group also. How? See, first you should create the workshop. Workshop and showroom. Suppose you are having two showrooms. One is on Pritampur and second one is AB Road. So while creating the Pritampur or AB Road, alter, go down. Pritampur. Pritampur is what? It is your showroom. So just select from your showroom. It should be under showroom group. First, you have to create the go downs, and afterward, you can you can alter the go down under the another go down. So that means this is your group. Showroom is a group, and under showroom, you have two branches. One is a Pritampur and second one is a AB Road. Showroom. Is it clear? Is it clear? Next. Now, again, I'm going to create the one go down. That is my, it is my workshops. These are my workshop. One is MG Road. Second one is Ring Road. These are my workshops. Is it clear? How I created the workshop, how I created the showroom, and how I create a one go down under the showroom. Two go downs under the showroom and two go downs under the workshop. Is it clear? Okay. Now while purchasing the item, suppose I'm going to purchase the items again. Invoice number 3, direct purchasing, no purchase order, no receipt, no direct. I am going to purchase. Enter. Through which party? Ronit and Company. Ronit is our creditor. Okay, enter. Then purchase account and computers. Now by selecting the computers here, it is giving me the option of now note receipt note is there. So tracking number not applicable. Order number not applicable. Now go down. Which go down you want to store? Workshop. Okay, or you can store in a one workshop of MG Road. Right? MG Road. In a MG Road, how many quantity you are storing? 10. Right? Then laptops. And again, you are storing it in MG Road. 10. Okay. So 10 computers are stored in MG Road and 10 laptops are stored in MG Road. These are our workshops. These are our workshops. Okay, where I should like format the computers, I should install some softwares, and afterward we want to sell it from showrooms. We want to sell it from showrooms. Enter. Now, in a MG Road, 10 computers and 10 laptops are there. These are our workshops. Now, I got the sales order from one of my showroom, that is Pritampur. So I should press for order. Right. Now, sales order is generated by another salesman, and for Ronit gives me the order. Ronit gives me the order for 5 computers. SO-002. And where we are taking the orders? In the showroom. Where we are taking the orders? In the showroom. So he gives me the order for 5 computers. Where he gives me the order? Pritampur. In a Pritampur, that is our showroom. Pritampur, he gives me the order of 5 quantity. Presently in a Pritampur, no stock is there. So that's why it is showing me the negative stock. That's why it is showing me the negative stock. Okay, enter. And laptops. Also, I got the laptops order in Pritampur for 5 computers. But no laptops are in a Pritampur. These are my showrooms. In showrooms, I don't have the inventories. But orders are there. Orders are there. Okay. Now, can I sell the computers from these showrooms? Because I got the order. Can I deliver the orders from the showroom? Can I deliver the order from the showroom? Can I deliver the order from the showroom? Please answer me. Because stock is in a workshop and I got the order in showroom. So can I deliver the order from the showroom? I cannot deliver the order from the showroom. Why? Because in the showroom, no computers or no laptops are there. No computers or no laptops are there. Okay, so first we have to transfer the stock from workshop to showroom. First we have to transfer the stock from the workshop to showroom. At the end, I'll give you the answers of your queries. It is not relevant to current topic. It is relevant to previous topic. So previous topics query, I'll resolve it at the end of the session, but presently not, right? So first I have to transfer the material from workshop to showroom. So how can I transfer the material? By passing the stock general. Stock general is a voucher which is used for the transfer of material. Stock general is a voucher which is used to transfer of material. What material I want to transfer? I want to transfer the computers. How much computers I want to transfer? From which go down to from which go down I want to transfer? I want to transfer from MG Road because it is my workshop. How much? 5. Rate will automatically extracted by the database. Then laptops. From where? MG Road. How many? 5 laptops. Enter, enter, enter. Now computers. Where you want to store it? In the Pritam. Because in a Pritampur you got the order, na? Then 5 computers. Then laptops. How many computers? How many laptops? And where you want to transfer it? Pritampur. 5. Now you can generate the invoice. Unless until transfer is not there, you cannot generate the invoice. Now raise the query. Okay, raise the query. Because I check after moving for the next feature, you are raising the query again and again. Raise the query. Is the transfer of material, transfer of stock is clear? Transfer of stock is clear. What is the shortcut key for the stock general? What is the shortcut key for the stock general? Alt F7 is a shortcut key for the stock general. Alt F7 is a shortcut key for the stock general. Okay, I am giving you one more example. Okay, got it. See, first I got the order. I got the order, so I should press Control F8. And definitely we are getting the order from the showrooms. We are not getting the order in the workshop, na? We are, because workshop is a different thing and showroom is a different. So we are getting the order from the showrooms. Now suppose again we got the order from Ronit and Company. We got the order, that is SO-004. And we got the order of computers, but from which showroom we got the order? We got the order from Ring Road. Ring Road was our showroom. You can check Ring Road. You can check here. Control Enter. It is workshop. It is not showroom. Road is your showroom. Yes. You got the order from showroom AB Road. AB Road showroom. And how much quantity you got the order? 5 quantity. And it is showing me the negative stock. Definitely it will show you the negative stock because in a AB Road, no computers are there. This is your showroom. You cannot store the inventories on your showrooms. Enter, 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 enter. Now, again, you got the second item in the same order number. You are also having the order of the laptops. Which go down? Which go down? That is AB Road. And if you wish, AB road is like, what is AB road exactly? Then press Control Enter. It is your showroom. Then for how many quantity? 5 quantity. It is giving you the warning, negative stock, negative stock. Enter, 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 enter. Now you cannot directly sales from the, you cannot sales against that sales order from, because you are getting the order in a AB road, and AB road is your showroom, and on AB road no inventories are there. For that you have to transfer the material. So first you should check the negative stock report, display more reports, then exceptional reports. See negative stock. Analysis and verification. Stock summary. First 3. Then according to the go down wise you want na stock item wise. See, negative stock report is not there. Why negative stock report is not there? Because still sales is not there. Only sales order is there. Only sales order is there. Now, if you sold the inventory from the showroom and on the showroom there is no stock, then it will show you the negative stock report, because in a showroom negative stock will be there. But presently no negative stock is there. Why so? Because we only pass the sales order. Still we haven't generated the invoices. But before making the invoice, you should pass the transfer of material. How? By pressing Alt F7. Then what you want to transfer? Computers. In which go down? From which go down? You are having in Pritampur. Main location you are having. 10. Then laptops. Main location. Previously it was stored by mistake. It was stored in main location because at the time we don't have the go downs. Then 10 computers. Now computers. Which go down? Suppose you want AB road. How much quantity? 5 you want to save on the AB road. And again computers. On which go down? Ring road. Because ring road is again your, it's again your road is again your workshop. Okay. Shop. Should be a shop. And 5 computers you want to shift on the MG road. Then laptops. Because 10 computers you are transferring. Out of 10 computers, 5 you want to send to the AB road and 5 you want to send to the MG road. You can do like this. Then AB road. 5. See, rate automatically extracted by the tally itself because data in the database rates are saved. Laptops. Then MG road. 5. See, the like total voucher totals should be matched. 12 lakh rupees and 12 lakh. 20 number you kept, you are transferring 20 number from main location, and where you want to transfer? MG road and AB road both. Enter, 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 enter. Now you can sold. Now suppose wait, party name Ronit company. Now you are having the Ronit order 4. Now computers AB Road, on AB Road, only 5 computers are there. And you sold 6 computers. One is negative stock. Then it will be reflected in your negative stock report. Now it will be reflected in your negative stock report. Or you can say like this, if 6 from AB Road, 6 from AB Road, and then second is not applicable, tracking number is not applicable, but still again you sold the not order number is not applicable, but without order you also sold from AB Road 5 computer. Again negative stock is there. Or you can sold from another showroom, because in the MG Road you are having. Is it clear? I'm only selling the from one AB Road. Then AB Road. Now I can check the negative stock report. From where I can check the negative stock report? Display more reports. Then exception reports, negative stock report. It's not giving me, just a minute, huh? In the stock summary, it will show, na? Plus 3 and Alt F1. See, here it is negative stock. Is it clear? See, things are easy to understand because all of you are the commerce background students, account students, account backgrounds you are having. So these are the very easy things to understand. Is it clear? What is negative stock? When the negative stock report will be generated? And what is stock journal? Is it clear? Should I move for the next voucher? Okay, fine. If you wish, then you can check the from the day book. You can check the price by pressing the F4. Stock general voucher you can check. Stock general. You pass 2 stock general vouchers. Okay, you pass 2 stock general vouchers. You should check. Is it 5 from MG Road to Pritampur? Again from laptop from MG Road to Pritampur. And you can check in the stock summary. If we want to check the profit on the every item, how much profit you booked, then press F12, or there is an option of show profit, F7. How much profit you already booked? 16.49%. Because you sold the 27 number of computers, 16.49%. AB Road 6 computers and you booked the profit 30.77. Then main location 16 computers was there because previously when we didn't have the location go down option. Then at that time it is showing me the main location because the sales from main location at that time. So it is showing me the profit also. Is it? Just tell me. Pinto, you are in like very, you are going fast. GST, still we have time to learn GST. First basic features will complete and then GST we will learn GST as well as the TDS as well as the TCS. Most of the taxation part we will cover. in our Tally class. But first you have to learn all these things. Na? These are the very important things. Okay. Negative stock. Okay, Nagma, I'm telling you the negative stock. See, negative stock. Here is a negative stock. See, with the help of minus sign, it is showing me the negative stock. Suppose in a AB road, one stock is negative, right? One stock is negative, it is showing me. Now, I'm transferring one computer from Pritampur to negative to AB road. Then negative stock will automatically become a positive. Okay, so vouchers, then computers. From where I should take Pritampur. Because Pritampur I am having one, I am going to transfer from Pritampur to AB road. Computers 1. See, now no negative stock is there because I transferred the material from Pritampur to AB road. Right? And now it is not showing me the Pritampur stock. Why? Because I already sold the items. At that time, the item was not with AB road. After transferring it, it is not showing me in the AB road because AB road negative stock will resolve. Is it? Nagma? I'm sure I resolve your query. Okay. Anybody have some doubt regarding the location, regarding the stock? Fine. I'm giving you the 5 minutes because most of the student feels the speed is fast and they are doing, I'm sure they are doing simultaneously. Do it and then I'll start. Just take the 5 minutes. I'm waiting. Just take the 5 minutes. Okay. Go down. Sony, what you want? See, Kavita, it is right. But in a Tally, there is no restriction. If the stock is not with us, then it is allowing me to sell the goods. Only it is giving me the information. You are right. Ma'am, as stock is not there, then Tally should not allow to sell the goods. Yes, it is right. But Tally will allow, but it will give me the only information. Stock is not there. Okay. The restriction is not there. For that, you have to take the ERPs, pure ERPs. Abhi, speed is not very fast. I am giving you the minutes, right? Try to co-op the class. I'm waiting, huh? Please do it. I'm waiting. Please try to join with the time. Like whatever the time is given to you, you should join it on time. Na? See, if you are coming in between the class, then definitely you are not getting properly. So I cannot give the brush up. Na? So many things are already covered. But I'll try my best, huh? I'll try my best. At the end, I'll give you the revision. I'll try my best. Okay? Okay, I'm going to give you the explanation. Sony, I'm not getting properly your question. From where you have set the location? See, okay, I'm going to give you the explanation. See, if you have the new company, right? Madhya Pradesh. Then, if you're purchasing the items in this company, if you are purchasing the items in this company, like purchases F9, right? Then there is no location firstly. This see computers numbers, right? Now there is no location. It is not asking for the location unless until you're not creating the location. By default, it will store on main location. Main location is a default go down in main query. So how you can create the location? By pressing create, then go down, create new, go down one, control A. Now see, if you want to purchase, then it will ask for the which go down it should store. See, now it is asking you. Is it clear? I'm trying to give you the like satisfied all the answers, whatever I am reading here, the your queries. Now I'm going to shut this company. Okay. Anything else? Yes, Abhi, invoice only can be raised after the receipt note if the 4 step is there. Okay. So I'm sure you understood everything, whatever I told you. Hana? 3 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step is completed now. Still, again, rejection in, rejection out is also completed, and go downs is also completed. Go down feature is a very important feature in Tele because see, so many concerns are using Tele in a real time. Okay, and they are using it in a networking way. Like networking way means what? Example, like suppose they are having the showroom on MG Road, whatever the recent example was there, and they are having the workshop on Vijayanagar, and they are using the Tele with a remote feature. Remote feature means using the clouds, Tele solution server. They are using the Tele solution server. They are storing the data on a, they are storing the data in a Tele server, and they are using in a network mode. So unless until transfer is not there, you cannot sell directly. First, you have to transfer. Okay. Should I move the next? For the next feature, I am going to give you the explanation. Okay. Okay. Now, same example with same example. Now, suppose I checked in the stock summary, I checked on main location. We are having the 24 computers on main location. But main location is what? That is nothing. It is the default go down name in Tele, na? So first you should transfer all the material from main location to your showroom, your workshop. So how you will transfer the material? Alt F7. Alt F7. Computers. How many computers you are having in main location? 24. Just transfer all complete 24 to laptops. Main location 20. How? It is only 20 number. Okay, 20. Then you can transfer it from on the different location. For example, computer you want to transfer on Pritampur. First the Pritampur. How much? 14 to Pritampur and rest to AB Road. 10. So 24 is completed. Now laptops. You want to transfer it on Pritampur. How much laptops? 10 laptops you want to transfer. Then rest 10 laptops you want to transfer on AB Road. Control A. Now you can check stock summary. Now main location is a nothing. Main location is a default go down name in Tally. Now no stock is on main location. Right? Now the next is physical stock. I'm going to tell you about a new voucher that is a physical stock. As the name suggests, physical stock. As the name suggests, physical stock. What is physical stock? Physical is what? Physical is what? It is showing me 10 computers are stored on AB Road. 10 computers location it is showing me on AB Road. But while physical verification, I found only 8 computers are there on AB Road. What about 2 computers? 2 computers lost by fire. 2 computers lost by fire. So you have to pass the entry for booking the loss and also on Pritampur, on AB Road, you should pass the physical stock voucher. Is it clear? Try to understand now. What is physical stock? Try to understand what is physical stock. Physical stock means Tally is showing me on AB Road 10 computers are there. But in a physical verification, I found only 8 computers are there. In the physical verification, I found only 8 computers are there. So what about 2 computers? 2 computers are theft or lost by fire or damaged. Then I have to pass the one, I have to book the loss by passing a one entry. By passing a one entry, loss by fire. Okay, and AB Road, it should not show me the 10 computers. It should show me the 8 computers. So that is the physical stock. So how we can pass the physical stock? Same 10 vouchers. F10. Then show inactive. Then there is an option of physical stock. See. Enter. Now computers. Where? AB Road. It is showing me only 8 quantity, not 10 quantity. So you should type here the quantity whichever you are finding on that location. The quantity whichever you are finding on that location, you have to pass here. Okay, enter, enter, enter. 2 computers lost by fire. Now you can check. Stock summary. Now it is showing you 8 computers instead of 10 computers. It is showing you 8 computers instead of 10 computers. And you can book the loss by passing the one entry. And think about it, and tomorrow you should tell me what will be the entry for the loss. But physical stock, try to understand the physical stock. What is physical stock exactly? If we are finding the difference while physically verify the stock. While verifying the physically the stock, you are finding the difference. Then you have to pass the physical stock voucher. Control F7 is a shortcut key. Physical stock. Is it clear? Physical stock. Okay. So we learn the physical stock also. We learn physical stock. Now, there are valuation method, different valuation methods for stock. Just write the valuation methods. Which one are the valuation methods for the stock? Just write down. So if you want to change the valuation method in the P&L, you want to change the valuation method. In the P&L, you want to change the valuation method. So there is an option of F8. See, presently it is weighted average method. It is weighted average method. In a closing stock, it is weighted average method. But if you wish, no, it should be in the last sale price. Then press F8. F8. Then last sale price. See, now your closing stock is 52,32,500. Escape. See, your closing stock value is 42,45,000. You want to change the valuation, then press F8. Then last sale price. Now your closing stock is 53,32,500. 53,32,500. Okay, you can change the valuation method. You can change the valuation method also. Apart from that, if while creating the stock item, there is a just press F12 key. And then here is an option of this more configuration. Yes. Then language alias, stock groups, all configuration. See, use costing and market valuation methods for stock item. Yes. Then control A. Now you are having costing method also. At the time of item creation, you can mention which costing method should be there. It is set on average cost. Average cost means what? Value divided by number of items. Value divided by number of items, same as average price. See. Here, I'm going to create a new item. Okay. Create item mobile. iPhone. Okay. iPhone. Enter. It should be in a number. Now, costing method. What will be the costing method? I don't want average cost. Okay, first, previously you should understand the average cost. Control A. Now, I purchased the first time I purchased the 09. I purchased the iPhone. First time I purchased the iPhone. Number of iPhone is, and go down, it should be in a Pritham. Number of is 2. And by rate is 1 lakh rupees. This is my first purchase. 2 items on 1 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees is the total cost. Okay, per iPhone cost is 1 lakh rupees. Again, I purchased in second time I purchased. Party name is Charles. Now this time I purchased the iPhone iPhone, again Pritampur, and 2. Or you can say 1. On 1,20,000. So what will be the average cost? Tell me. What will be the average cost? Total value is 3,20,000 divided by 3. Total value is C. You can check. Can check by stock summary. See, your iPhone average cost is 1,06,666.67. How it is? 3,20,000 divided by 3. Instead of that, you can change the costing method. Stock item, iPhone, then here. You can set it on FIFO. What is FIFO? First in, first out. LIFO, last purchase cost. Complete iPhone should be on last purchase cost. If I select this method, then what will be the total value? Please tell me. What will be the total value of my iPhones? Tell me. I'm not showing you presently. Tell me, I'm giving you the 5 minutes. What will be the total purchase cost? If I set here the last purchase cost, Control A. Any idea? Any idea? Total. Hariharan, I'm asking total cost. Three like iPhone I'm having. Yes, 3,60,000. Correct. Gunjan, correct. Correct. You can check by checking the stock summary. See, 3,60,000. Correct, Gunjan, appreciated. Right? Hariharan, I'm sure you tell me the per unit cost. Okay. But I was asking total cost. Thank you so much. Thanks for your efforts. Appreciated your efforts because see, yesterday, like from the last sessions, I'm telling you, I'm very glad you are attentive in the class. You are concentrating whatever I'm doing here and whatever I'm asking the questions. It's a good sign. I'm very glad. I'm very happy. Okay. And the student who written here the cost 50,000. How 50,000? Right? Is it clear now? Okay. Now, in the like alter stock item, iPhone. I'm setting here the market valuation method in a last sale price. So the stock will be on 3,60,000, right? And 3,60,000, no, not 3,60,000. Suppose I'm selling it in a 1,50,000. Then stock will be 4,50,000. Stock will be 4,50,000. Okay, 4,50,000. Now suppose I'm not like changing it. It is in last purchase cost. Costing method is last purchase cost. I'm selling the iPhone F6, F8. I'm selling the iPhone on cash. iPhone. Okay, go down is Pritampur. One quantity. I sold it in a 1,50,000. Now tell me how much profit I gain on this iPhone. Is it the 30,000? Is it the 50,000? How much profit I gain on this mobile phone? Just fast. Do it fast. How much profit I gain by selling the one mobile phone at the rate 1,50,000. How much profit I gain? Try it, Siddharth. Just try it, Gunjan. So many students are there. Try it. How much profit I gain? 30,000. Let the answer, just write down the answer, then I'll give you the understanding. 30K, 30K, 30K. Only one answer is there. 30K, 30K, 30K. So many students are giving the 30K, 30K. Okay, let me check. One is saying 50,000. 2,10,000. Okay, I'm checking. How much profit I gain? How I can like check the profit? By checking the stock summary. Then F7, show profit. See, iPhone. One iPhone I sold it on 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Right? This is my consumption. This is my gross profit. One lakh 20,000. Now two phones are remaining on 1,20,000. Right? Three mobile phone you are having on 3,20,000. ₹30,000. Is it? Is it clear? Because it's a straightforward thing, now. 1,20,000 is the last purchase cost. You sold it on 1,50,000, so 30K is a profit. On per one iPhone, 30K is a profit. Okay. Now next, if I want to value it on last sales price, okay, in a closing stock, I want to value it in a last sale price. Presently, it is showing me the purchase cost, 2,40,000, and I want to set it in a last sale price. Then press F8, last sale price, enter. Now it is 3 lakh rupees because last sale price is 1,50,000 rupees. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now, the next is in a P&L, you can check the column wise on different stock valuation. You can check the closing stock. So there is an option of control N, alter N. Alter N, stock valuation method. It is showing you the stock. It is the closing stock, 44,85,000. Okay, this is the default method on average. And this is showing you the 44,65,000. It is first in, first out. So whatever mobile I sold, it will sold the first mobiles, that is for 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees. So that's mean 1 lakh rupees, that's mean 50,000 profit I booked. Then second LIFO, last in, first out. Now it is showing 44,45. Then 44,85 is standard cost. What is standard cost? Whatever the cost I have taken, whatever the cost on which I have taken the mobiles, that is the standard cost. And average cost. I told you average cost, total divided by 3. That is the average cost. Then standard price. On which rate I sold the items. That is the standard price. Average price. Presently, I only sold one item of iPhone. If I sold the 3 items of iPhone, 2 items of iPhone on different price, then total value divided by number of items, that is average price. Monthly average cost, month-wise cost, last sale price, last, everything is there. So this is the way how you can check the stock on different valuation method, different valuation methods. Is it? Is it clear? Jyoti, what you want to repeat? Now I'm going to answer your queries. Okay, I'm not telling you the another feature. First, I want to give you the answers of your queries. Jyoti, what do you want to repeat? Anything else you want regarding the like previous sessions or like today's session, whatever I told you? Any query? Any query? LIFO. LIFO means last in, first out. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm going to tell you about the LIFO method. This is your P&L. iPhone is on 2,40,000. But I want to set LIFO method. Last in, first out. Last iPhone on which cost I purchased the last iPhone? 1,20,000. Last iPhone I purchased on 1,20,000. So market valuation method, you should use the LIFO method. See, now your iPhone is for 2 lakh rupees. Why? Because whatever the item you sold, that item was last purchased. At the end you purchase last iPhone you purchased last time in 1,20,000. So you sold that item. Third one item, not first and second. First and second item is still remaining, which the cost is 2 lakh rupees. For which the cost is 2 lakh rupees. So that is LIFO method, last in, first out. Last in, first out. Is it clear? Is it clear? Anything else? Okay. Control N now, Alter N. See. In Tally Prime gives us the one new feature. I'll tell you later on. For first, I'm going to check the P&L account. In the P&L, you can add one more column. One more column. But I'm not telling you the one more column. I'm telling you the default columns by pressing Alt N. What default columns I want? Stock valuation methods. According to the stock valuation method, it should show me the P&L. Different stock valuation method. So the profit should be different. According to the stock valuation method, profit will be different. Okay. Now, again and again, you have to press Alt N, because when you press escape and when you again open the P&L, then it is not showing me the all 10, different according to the different valuation method. So first you should press alt 10 stock valuation method and you should save the view. Here is the option save the view. Okay, and you should you should save it by name P&L valuation methods. Control A. Now press escape. Again, your P&L is not showing you according to the different method. So by press the changing view, you can check the this was saved by with name valuation method. This is the new feature which come along with this Tally, that is Tally Prime 5. Previously it was not there. Save view was not there. Tomorrow I'll give you the understanding of cost centers. Please be prepared. Cost centers. What is cost centers? And I'll definitely transfer you the cost center exercise also, because I want to extract the branch wise profit. Then how we can extract the branch wise profit? In that case, suppose we are having the 3 branches. I'm having the 3 branches. Then how can we enter the transactions in Tally? Tomorrow I'll give you the understanding on cost centers. Okay. But for today, this is the like go down features is over, and save view also I told you at the end, I told you the save view. Anything else? Anything else? Shortcut key, you remembered. See, after practicing, shortcut key automatically remembered. But unless until practice is not there, it is not easy to remember the shortcut keys. You cannot mug up the shortcut keys now. You have to remember, and if you are doing the practice again and again and again, then automatically you remember the shortcut keys. Is it? Okay, so many students are asking for the backup. So I'm going to give you the understanding of backup. Okay, now backup. Okay, backup. First, I saved this company on, just check my screen, C:/Kavita/online sessions. These are my companies I saved. 1 lakh, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2. These are the 3 companies which I saved here. So actually, it's not like that. When you saved the Excel, it saves your file. When you save Excel file, then it saves your file with extension .xlsx or Word or PowerPoint, whatever. But in a Tally automatically saved it folders with number, not with name. Tally saved it files with number, not with name. You should not change the number. Instead of number, you cannot assign the names. Okay, first thing is that. Because why it saved in a folder? Why it saved the file in a folder? Because Tally saved its files in an encrypted mode. That is known as encrypted mode. Please listen carefully. Tally saved its files in encrypted mode. See, if you double click over here, then you cannot read this kind of files. This is unreadable files. These are unreadable files. You cannot read it. If you want to open that files or folder, then you have to select the company by clicking here the select company here, Alt F3. Is it clear? 3 companies are there. 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 2. Now you want to take the backup of this company. Then there is an option in a data backup. Enter. Now see the above that is written backup destination path. Where you want to save your backup? where you want to save your backup. Select the, specify the path. C:/Kavita/online sessions slash. I can create the folder from here also. /backup. Enter. Do you want to create? The folder is not there. It is not finding my folder. Yes, I want to create the folder. So now I can check. It creates the folder. C backup. In a backup, nothing is there because still the backup is not completed from my side. Enter. Now I want to take the backup for all items. Enter. Enter. Now you can check. In your folder, you can check it has taken the backup. See. Again, it is in encrypted mode. You can transfer it easily via the net because you cannot transfer the folder via the net, but you can transfer the file via the net. Is it clear? Backup. Pujema, recently I told you how to take the backup. And you are asking how to share the selected company data. Yes, just take the backup and share the via the email. That's it. Pujema, is it clear? By taking the backup, you can share the data by email. I'm going to tell you again, okay? See, I want to take up all of these three companies. These are three companies which I created during the sessions. I want to take the backup of these companies. So how I can take the backup of these companies? By clicking over here. Backup. Backup. And where I want to take the backup? C:/Kavita. And I'm creating a current date folder. Today is 6th February. It will create a folder. And all items. Because I want to create the backup for all items. All items. Enter. Now you can check it creates the folder. Kavita/6th February. You are having the backups. Okay. Is it clear? How I take the backup? I completed the backup procedure. Is it clear? Backup is clear or not? Just answer me. Backup is clear or not? Backup. Right now, in case by mistake, okay, first I'm going to shut the tally. Shut the tally. Okay, by mistake, I'm going to quit from tally. Now tally is closed now. Huh? Tally is not there. Tally is closed now. Now by mistake or intentionally somebody deleted my companies. Shift delete. Complete deleted. He deleted my companies. Now can I find that company on tally itself? Suppose I open the tally. Okay. Now continue in education mode. Now there is no company. Suppose I want to select the company from which location? Specify the path C colon slash Kavita slash online sessions. No company is there. Why? Sessions. It should be S. Enter. The folder is blank. No company is there. Now what should I do? No company is there. Now what should I do? Somebody intentionally deleted my companies. Now what should I do? Tell me. What should I do? Sanskar. What's your name? Now somebody intentionally deleted my company. Then what should I do? Just tell me, answer me fast. Session is going to be finished, but before ending the session, you should answer me. No, no answer is there. Yes, Kishore, restore. No, we cannot install the backup. We cannot directly open the backup. You have to restore it first. Nahi bana lo. Varda, it's not a solution. In Tele, the backup is not there. I have to take the backup every Friday. Now, how I can restore it? How I can restore it? To restore, just click on the data. Presently, no company is there. See, Kavita online session. Everybody can check. No company is there. Everybody can check. Backup folder. No company is there. If I'm taking the backup folder is again blank because Tele cannot recognize the backup directly. So first you have to restore it. Then restore destination path. Where you want to restore it? Specify the path. C colon slash Kavita slash online sessions. Enter. Then from where you want to take the backup? Specify the path. C colon slash Kavita slash 6th Feb. See, all of 3 companies are there. All 3 companies are there. Just select. If you wish only one company, then you can select one company. If you select all items, then all companies will be restored. Is it clear? All items. Yes. Okay. Now you can check. Specify the path C colon slash Kavita slash online sessions. Enter. See. Right? You are having, and now you can check in your folder also. See, the companies are there. The companies are there. I already transfer one example to you people. So please do it. And just take the backup and save it. And after few days, I'll tell you one email ID. Then you can send me on that email ID. Not right now. So So please don't ask again and again and again. First, you should do the complete assignments because I'll send you the assignments regularly. Okay, is it clear? We cannot take the data from recycle bin because I press shift delete. Shift delete means complete delete. Anybody wants to raise some query? Otherwise, I'm going to end the session. Isn't it? I'm sure everybody understood what I taught in this session because see, tele is very important for all of us because in like India, the tele is a very popular software. Most of the companies are using the tele software. In your articleship, definitely it will help you a lot if you are already know the tele and then like software, whatever you are learning in your CAT sessions. So please try to attend all the sessions and concentrate on the sessions, right? Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care. Okay. And I send you the one assignment for today. Just completed it. Fine. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye and take care.